guys, and welcome back to No Blame Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, and today is a continuation of my World Cup series. This time we are doing Brazil! I know, it kind of doesn't look like it, because the blue kind of got away from me, whatever. But today's video is actually sponsored by me. We'll get into that later, but let's actually do what you're here for. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a white base all over the lid. You want to make sure that you really blend that out well. The reason I did this was because this is actually my second time doing this look. The first time I did not use this base and everything just looked kind of muddy and like not as vibrant. So I just wanted to kind of change that. Next thing we're going to do is apply some green on the outer part of the eye. I'm also going to go on the lower lash line. I wanted to kind of make this look like the Brazilian flag. That is my challenge throughout the series, to make these still look like the flags that they represent. So I left a space open for some yellow. I wound up changing my mind later, so if you're gonna recreate this, just don't leave that space there. And like I mentioned, I did do this video before. I used a darker blue. I didn't really like how it came out, even though it's more close to what the actual color on the flag is for the globe. But I just used something a little bit brighter. And then I went ahead and blended it out. Then for probably my favorite part, I applied some yellow behind the blue and also in the inner corner. Since on the Brazilian flag the globe is surrounded by like a plane of yellow, I kind of wanted to try to do that, but it wound up not working out too well. So later on I blended more of the green into the yellow and kind of kept it like that. I then blended everything just to make sure there wasn't any harsh lines for this. I wanted it to kind of look more watercolory than anything. I don't know, I think it looks cute. Since the flag does have a white band going around the blue globe that's in the middle, I was like, hey, that's an excuse to use eyeliner. So I went ahead and applied some white eyeliner. Again, I did not have white eyeliner, so I used some mixing medium and some white eyeshadow and made my own. And then once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. If you guys want a full video on how to apply lashes, I'll have that linked in the cards up above. And then I just went over it with some mascara. If you want to know why I do mascara after lashes, go check out that video. But also don't forget to really coat your bottom lashes so they stand out just a little bit more. Something like this. I'm actually really proud of this look. I wish the blue would have stood out a little bit more, so if you are doing this, just add a little. And as I mentioned earlier, today's video is sponsored by me. I have a merch store on Teespring, so if you guys want to get some cool t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, things like that, check out the link in the description down below. But back to the video. And for the lips, I literally just did a what I call Your Lips But Better kind of color. So it's just like a nude pink. This one's from Huda Beauty. I love it. And apparently everybody likes it when I wear it to work, so there's that too. But like I said, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I definitely love this one. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to see what comes on my channel next, and let me know in the comments down below what you think and how far you think that Brazil is going to go this year, or this cup, in the World Cup. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!